Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset the JBL tune beam. It's nothing difficult and it's pretty simple, so let me show you how you can do it. So the first thing how we can do it is that when you would come here to the app, and when you're gonna have the JBL tune beam headphones, I have like the JBL headphones, you want to scroll down below, and here you are going to find the support. In a support, then you're gonna have restart to factory settings, and you would press it, and then you're gonna press reset. So this is how it's possible to be done. This is the first way. So the second way how it can be done is directly with the earbuds themselves. Is that when you're gonna have earbuds, put them to the case, then take them out and take both out. And what you want to do, I would recommend like unpairing it with your phone, and then with the right earbud, you want to press it 3 times, and the third time you just want to hold it. So 1, 2, 3 and hold for about 5 to 10 seconds. You can also test it out and check it out with the left earbud and to see if it's going to work out, but this is the process. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 and hold. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.